Wheat is an important food crop. In the rest of the world, it is grown around the year, but in India, it is a winter crop. The farmers prepare the soil by ploughing it. Then seeds are sown in October and November. Drill, a tractor-drawn machine, is used to plant the wheat seed. In India, most of the harvesting is done manually, with sickle for tool. The manually harvested wheat is stacked in bunches of 10 to 15 small bundles, which are dried in the field for 1 to 3 days. After harvesting, threshing is done to separate grains from the chaff. In case of big fields, threshing is done with the help of threshers, which is a cheaper, quicker and more efficient method. The straw bhusa is stacked and used as animal feed, bedding, cooking fuel to make sun-dried bricks or compost. The wheat grain contaminated with pieces of straw chaff, broken grains, stones and dirt is separated on the threshing floor for further drying. This wheat is then ready to be ground into flour or other wheat-based products.